Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to turn off ambient mode on YouTube for Android. Ambient mode is a feature that automatically plays videos when you're not actively using the app, which can be distracting or consume data unnecessarily. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to turn off ambient mode on YouTube for Android. Step 1. Open the YouTube app on your Android device and go to the Watch page. Step 2. Tap on Settings, which can be found by tapping the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Tap on Ambient Mode. Step 4. Toggle the switch to turn off ambient mode for all videos. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily turn off ambient mode on YouTube for Android. This will prevent videos from playing automatically when you're not actively using the app. It's important to note that if you only want to turn off ambient mode for a specific video, you can do so by tapping on the More button on the video's thumbnail and selecting Turn Off Ambient Mode. This will only turn off ambient mode for that specific video. In conclusion, turning off ambient mode on YouTube for Android is a quick and easy way to prevent videos from playing automatically when you're not actively using the app. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips.